Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, the teacher of Joint School Family, and I am taking your class 7 math subject. So in our previous video, we have done the multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay, but in today's class, we are going to do the division of algebraic expression. Okay, so before starting that, you should know some rules here. That is, here suppose x to the power m, it is divided by x to the power n. Okay, here the base is x and here also the base is x. Here power is m and here power is n. So if bases are same, the power must be, suppose x to the power m divided by x to the power n. So what will be the answer? X to the power, if bases are same, power must be subtracted. Okay, for example, suppose if I say 20 x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 2. Okay, here base is x and here also the base is, their divisor, the base is x here. Okay, so here x to the power 5 divided by x square. So in division the power must be subtracted. So what we'll get here? X to the power 5 minus 2, that is here x to the power 3. Okay, let's see one more example. Suppose there is y to the power, suppose y to the power 8 divided by y to the power minus 3 is there. Okay, so same rule, y to the power 8 divided by y to the power minus 3 is there. We have to subtract the power, that is here y to the power 8 minus 3. So minus into minus, what we will get here? Y to the power 8 plus 3, that is here y to the power how much? 11. Okay, I hope you have understood this rule. Okay, so in division also, first of all, suppose what is written here? Here, what is the sign here? X to the power 5 is written here. What is the sign here? If nothing written, what we have to understand here? It is your positive. Okay, divided by plus x square. X to the power 5 divided by plus x square. So plus divide plus. First of all, we have to do the division of sign. Okay, while dividing also we have to do first the division of sign. Okay, then we have to see the constant number used there. Okay, or the coefficient used. Then we will do the division of coefficient. Okay, after that we will see the base. If bases are same, we will subtract the power. Okay, so for example, suppose the question is 20 x to the power 4 divided by 2x square. Okay, or let's take it is as minus. Okay, 20 x to the power 4 divided by minus 2x square. So its meaning is 20 x to the power 4 divided by minus 2x square. So here in 20, what is the sign? Here in front of 20, which sign is here? If nothing written, we have to understand it is your positive. Okay, this is your positive. So first of all, we have to do the division of sign. So plus divide minus, that is your minus. Okay, so now number 20 is divided by 2, that is your 10. X to the power 4 divided by x square. So bases are same, power must be subtracted. That is your x to the power 4 minus 2, that is your 2. Is it clear? So now let's see one more example. So while dividing we have to be clear. Okay, first of all we have to do the division of sign, then we have to do the division of coefficient used there, then we have to see the base. Okay, bases are same, power must be subtracted. So next question is, suppose for example, suppose 16x square y square plus 10xy minus 20x is divided by 2x. Okay, So it means here 16x square y square plus 10xy minus 20x, it is divided by 2x. Okay, so what we will do, we will break it. Okay, so 2x is dividing 16x square y square, it is also dividing 10xy, and it is also dividing minus 20x. So what we will do, we will just break it. That is just 16x square y square divided by 2x. Similarly, plus 10xy divided by 2x minus 20x divided by 2x. Okay, so now separately we will divide and write our answer. So here no sign is written, means it is a positive. Okay, so plus divide plus, plus it is understood, we will not write it. So 16 divided by 2, that is your 8. Now here x to the power 2, and here it is your x. So 2 minus your power is your 1, that is your how much? X to the power 2 minus 1, that is your 1x, that is your x. So y term is here, but there is no y term in the divisor or the denominator. So y square will be as it is. Okay, so here plus 2x, and it is also your plus. So plus divide plus, that is your sign is your plus. Okay, so number division, 20 is divided by 2, that is your, sorry, 10 is divided by 2, that is your 5. X to the power 1 divided by x to the power 1, that is your cancelled. Okay, or x to the power 1 minus 1, that is your x to the power 0, that is your 1. So here y is only remaining. So here it is minus, here it is your plus. Minus is divided by plus, that is your minus. So 20 is divided by 2, that is your 10. X cancel, or x to the power 1 minus 1, that is an x to the power 0, and we will get as 1. So this is your 2 tens are 20, that is your 10. Okay, so this is your answer. So now let's see another example. This division was your just the division of divisor was your monomial. Okay, only one term is here, so the divisor is your monomial. Now let's do such type of division where the divisor is binomial. Okay, let's do one question. First we will take the divisor as, suppose divide x square minus 14x minus 32 by x plus 2. Okay, so this is the question we have to do, divide. So what is the question here? X plus 2 is going to divide x square minus 14x minus 32. Okay, so now let's divide it. So while dividing such type of question, what we have to do is by x plus 2. So here x square minus 14x minus 32 is divided by x plus 2. Okay, so while dividing here, what we have to do is, just I have written it in this form. Okay, in the lower class I used to write this way and used to divide. No, just same way I am writing here. So what we have to do, we have to just see the first. Okay, so while dividing, please you arrange it. Okay, in a standard form, or just the power must be arranged from in a descending order, you can say. Okay, power 2, power 1, like that, in a descending order you arrange it. Okay, so after that you just see the first term here and first term here. What is the first term in the divisor? That is your x. And what is the first term here in the dividend? That is your x square. Okay, so let's divide first term by first term. First term is divided by first term, that is your here x square. Let's divide it. Okay, x square divided by first term is your x, with sign also. Consider the sign also. Here it is plus, so plus x square is divided by x. Okay, x, that is a plus into plus, so plus divide plus, that is a plus. X to the power 2 divided by x, that is your x. So we are getting the hint here. Okay, we are just trying to get the hint, okay, by what variable or algebraic expression we multiply in the divisor to get the first term first. Okay, so that is your x. So here write here x. Now what we do, we will multiply this x with both, this both. Okay, that is here x into x plus 2. What will get here? X into x, that is here x square, plus into plus x into 2x is your 2x. Okay, x into 2 is your 2x. So this term we will write here x square plus 2x. So as we know in dividing, while dividing, what we do, we will change the sign. Here actually the sign is here, first the sign is plus, but what we will do, we will change it sign, minus. Here it is also plus, it will be here minus. So real sign is here minus here. So plus x square minus x square, it is cancelled. Okay, what is remaining here? Minus 16x. Okay, and this minus 32 we will write, it will just comes down here, that is a minus 32. Okay, now again same process. First see this first term and first term, that is here minus 16x is the first term here, and here first term is here x. Divide it. Okay, what will get? Minus, here it is plus, minus divide plus, that is a plus. Okay, x cancel, so you will get here 16 plus 16. Okay, so sorry, here it is a minus divide plus is your minus. Okay, so here minus 16. Okay, so what will get here? Minus, this minus 16 will be multiplied with x plus 2. Let's multiply. Minus 16 will be multiplied with x plus 2, that is your minus 16x minus into plus minus 32, that is your minus 16x minus 32. Again we will change the sign, minus will change into plus, minus will change into plus, because if that is a plus we will write a minus, and if that is a minus we will write there plus. So minus 16x plus 16x cancel, minus and plus here same, minus 32 plus 32 cancel, so your remainder is 0. Okay, your quotient is x minus 16. Okay, let me try to explain it in Nepali. Okay, so that it will be more clear for you all. So what is here? X square minus 14x minus 32 लाई हामीले डिवाइड गर्ने हो x plus 2 ले. ओके, अब यहाँ डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि हामीले पहिलो कुरा के हेर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि x स्क्वायर माइनस 14x माइनस 32 लाई x plus 2 ले डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि हामीले यो जो डिवाइड भइराछ, ओके, डिभिडेन्ड जो डिवाइड भइराछ यहाँ डिभिडेन्ड, त्यसको फर्स्ट टर्म र जसले डिवाइड गरिराछ डिवाइजर को फर्स्ट टर्म, ओके, लाई हेर्ने पहिला. डिविडेन्ड को फर्स्ट टर्म यहाँ के हो एक्स स्क्वायर र डिवाइजर को फर्स्ट टर्म के हो एक्स. त फर्स्ट टर्मलाई फर्स्ट टर्मले मात्रै डिवाइड गरौँ. सो एक्स स्क्वायरलाई मैले डिवाइड गरे यहाँ एक्स ले, हाम्रो के आयो यहाँ एक्स. ओके, सो एक्स आइसकेपछि हामीले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि यो जुन एक्स हो त्यति टाइम्स हामीले यो डिवाइजरमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने हो. ओके, सो यो x मैले केमा मल्टिप्लाई गरे भन्दाखेरि यो डिवाइजरमा, दैट इज योर x प्लस 2 मा मल्टिप्लाई गरे. त मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि x into x is your x square plus into plus is your plus, x into 2 is your 2x. ओके, यो x square plus 2x लाई हामीले डिभिडेन्ड को जस्ट तल लेख्नु पर्यो. ओके, टर्म्सहरुलाई मिलाएर. सो फर्स्ट मा मैले यहाँ लेखेथे x square plus 2x. ओके, इन while dividing हामीले डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि अगर त्यहाँ प्लस छ भने हामीले चेन्ज गरेर के लेख्नु पर्छ माइनस, अगर त्यहाँ माइनस छ भने हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो प्लस लेख्नु पर्यो, साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ. ओके, सो x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर क्यान्सल भयो. हियर प्लस थियो, हामीले त्यो साइन चेन्ज गरेर माइनस आयो, अब रियल साइन तिम्रो माइनस हो. सो माइनस 14x माइनस 2x माइनस 16x. ओके, र यो माइनस 32 माथिबाट यहाँ तल झर्यो. ओके, सो अब फेरि यहाँ तिम्रो माइनस 16x माइनस 32 बचेको थियो, यसको फर्स्ट टर्म तिम्रो माइनस 16x हो, त्यो -16x लाई फेरि फर्स्ट टर्म x ले डिवाइड गर्छ -16x प्लस x ले डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि -16 आयो ओके सो यो -16 हामीले केमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने फेरि यही डिवाइजरमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने ओके सो यु विल गेट हियर -16x into x plus 2 you will get -16x minus into plus minus 32 okay 16 into 2 that is your 32 so same thing I have written here -16x minus 32 again in dividing while dividing we have to change the sign minus लाई प्लस मा गर्ने र सब्ट्र्याक्सन गर्ने अब यहाँ सब्ट्र्याक्सन गर्दाखेरि दुईटै क्यान्सल भयो र हाम्रो रिमाइन्डर चाहिँ के आयो 0 आयो इज इट क्लियर so for more clearness I will do one more question here then it will be more easier for you to understand let's do one more question okay suppose the question is divide 6x square minus 7x minus 3 we have to divide it by 2x minus 3 okay so 6x square minus 7x minus 3 it is divided by 2x minus 3 so what we will do here we will just see the first term see only the first term so here first term is divided by first term 6x square is divided by 2x divide 6x square by 2x first term is divided by first term that is your 6x square is divided by 2x what we will get okay so here plus divide plus that is your plus 6 is divided by 2 that is your 3 x square is divided by x that is your x so that is what we got here 3x okay so this 3x will write here 3x okay now what we'll do what we got here 3x that 3x multiply whole with the divisor here that is here this 3x will be multiplied with 2x minus 3 okay this coming okay 3x will be multiplied with this whole divisor so what we'll get here 6 to 3 2 is 6 x square plus into minus 3 3 is 9 x okay so write as it is what we got here this what we got here we'll write here okay just below the dividend that is just 6x square minus 9x okay after writing it we know that in division okay we will just change the sign because we have to do the subtraction and we know in subtraction sign changes so here it is a plus sign but we have to change it that is your minus here it is minus we will get here plus so plus 6x square minus 6x square cancelled what is remaining here minus 7x here it is a plus 9x we have to see now this sign okay the sign which we got after changing then what we got here 2x okay 9x it is a positive 9x and 7x is a negative so there it will be a subtraction so we got here 2x this minus 3 is remaining it will just come down here okay this minus 3 will come down okay now again same process first term is divided by first term that is your 2x is divided by here first term is 2x it is divided by first term that is your 2x what we got same thing we will get as 1 means what plus 2x plus that is a positive 1 okay that is a plus 1 okay now this 1 will be multiplied with the divisor multiply first okay what we will get here 2x minus 3 multiply we will get the same okay because 1 multiplied something we will get the same so what we got here we will write here 2x minus 3 sign change the sign plus it is here we will make minus it is here we will make it plus so same thing cancel remainder is your 0 your quotient is your 3x plus 1 okay so division is also very easy okay so you all please try it it is more easier. Okay, so I am giving you some question based on such type. Okay, so please you all try it at home. I am giving you some questions so that you can do practice at home. Okay, it will make you more easier to understand what you are learning. Okay, so please you all try this question. So your first question is your 105 x to the power 8 y to the power 6, it is divided by minus 15 x to the power 4 y to the power 3. Similarly, second question is your 32 x to the power 4 minus 16 x to the power 3 plus 8x square is divided by 8x square. Third question is x square plus 3x plus 2 is divided by x plus 1. Similarly, last question is your 3x square plus 34x plus 11 is divided by 3x plus 1. Okay, so this 4 question you all please try at home. I hope you can easily do these questions. Okay, so stay at home, be safe. Thank you everyone.